Everyone, welcome back to the channel Celebs Record. In this YouTube video, we describe that incredible journey of rising star James Nelson Joyce, from his early beginnings to breakout on screen, his 2025 lifestyle, career highlights, and how much he really worth. Let's get started. Early life of James Nelson Joyce. James Nelson Joyce was born and raised in Liverpool, England. Growing up in the working-class neighborhood, he developed a passion for acting early on. Despite acting various big challenges, his upbringing in Liverpool helped shape his gritty and authentic acting style, often seen in his role. Education of James Nelson. James attended a local secondary school in Liverpool. Though he did not follow a traditional academic route into the arts, he trained in acting through workshops and hand-on experience, honing his craft in regional theaters before breaking into television and film. Let we know about his career. James Nelson Joyce is the best known for his intense and commanding performance in British television dramas. He gained attention through roles in the series like Little Boy Blue, The Outlaws, and Time. His performances often showcase emotionally charged, complex characters. As of 2025, he continues to rise in the UK acting scenes with roles that highlight his range and commitment to realism. Family of Nelson James. James keeps much of his personal life private and not much is publicly known about his immediate family. However, he has spoken in interviews about the importance of his Liverpool roots and how his family sport play a low key in his pursuits of acting. Marital status. As of 2025, James Nelson Joyce has publicly confirmed any relationship or marital status not yet. He is known to be highly private about his romantic life. Ethnicity. James Nelson Joyce is of British descent and identifies as white. His cultural background is rooted in the traditions and working-class ethos of Liverpool. Cars collection. James is not known for flaunting a flashing lifestyle. While he likely owns a modest vehicle for personal use, he doesn't showcase a public car collection or associate himself with luxury car culture. Social media fan following. While not a major social media influencer, James has a growing fan base, especially among viewers of British drama. His Instagram and Twitter, if active, are primarily used to share projects, updates, and behind-the-scenes content rather than personal details. His authentically and acting jobs have earned him a loyal following. Let we know about some interesting facts. James often plays characters with tough exteriors, but he is known to be warm and grounded off screen. Fact number 2. He has earned praise for both fans and critics for bringing realism to working-class characters. And fact number 3. His breakout role in The Little Boy Blue put him on the map as a rising star in British drama. At last of them, let we know about his total net worth. As of 2025, James Nelson Joyce's estimated net worth is around $500,000 to $1 million, primarily earned through acting roles in television and films. With his continued rise in popularity, his figure is expected to grow significantly in the coming years. And that wraps up the inspiring journey of James Nelson Joyce in 2025. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more celebrity and lifestyle content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.